Hi, it's Stephanie from Whole Life NYC, and today I want to unbox the convention kit. It's very exciting. I was at convention last week, and it was amazing. The good things that doTERRA is doing in the world. Hugh Jackman was there. He's a good guy, too. He's doing amazing things. Humanitarian, lovely, beautiful voice, beautiful face. Anyway, so here is the doTERRA convention kit. So let me show you what is in it. The first thing that we were most excited about, the kids kit. So this comes with 6 different roller bottles in this nice little squishy bag. Beautiful little zipper. My son loves it. He's already brought it to school. So we open it up, and inside are 2 sections. One has the 6 different oils, and each of them is color-coded, and they also have a little icon at the top so that your child can understand what they're for. So this one is Steady for the grounding blend. So it's kind of like balance for kids. So there's Steady, there's Rescuer, Calmer, Thinker, Brave, and Stronger. My son says that Brave is everybody's favorite. So along with those oils, and they're pre-diluted, so they're good to use on kids, comes some flashcards so you can actually learn about the oils with your kids, and these cool little silicone caps, one for each bottle, and it just fits right on top, and each one has a little carabiner so your child can hang it on or inside their backpack so they always know where to find it. There's also a carabiner on the top of the case. All right, next up is Balance deodorant. So this smells amazing. doTERRA has revamped their deodorant. A lot of people were complaining that it didn't work, and doTERRA listened. So they've revamped this all-natural deodorant. It's aluminum-free. It's paraben-free. There's no artificial fragrance. This is great, and it smells amazing. They're also working on coming out with a citrus version. This next item is super exciting. The doTERRA Spa Body Mist. So what's a body mist? Let me tell you. You just mist it on, and it's a little bit of fractionated coconut oil. It's got some frankincense in it, some bergamot, and it smells like doTERRA's signature beautiful blend, which is so good. There's a little bit of lime in there. Oh my gosh, this is so delicious, and my skin feels so good without being greasy. It's very moisturizing. So I'll use that every morning. And then you may have seen these 2 oils, pink pepper and green mandarin. These were in the Mother's Day kit. So the pink pepper is great. It's from the pink peppercorns. Green mandarin is actually unripe red mandarin. So the green mandarin has slightly different chemical constituents than the red mandarin. These are both amazing oils. This one we were super excited about, turmeric. Turmeric essential oil is going to be different than the powdered turmeric that you take in capsules or that you get in little shots at your juice bar. This turmeric is going to, it's not for diffusing. It does not smell good, but it's going to be for either topical application so that your body can absorb it, or for internal use if you're working with an aromatherapist, like me. The next one that's amazing and beautiful, and I've already been using it every day, is the Yarrow and Palm. Palm stands for pomegranate seed oil. So this is a synergistic duo, which means that they work together to make a super powerful, super concentrated blend. So this one you can see, it's super cool, it's blue. That's the Yarrow, and it's mixed with the pomegranate seed oil. So this is going to be super nurturing for your skin, for your face, uplifting for your mood. This is going to be amazing. This oil is the size that we got in the convention kit. The actual oil blend is going to be much bigger, and it's going to have a dropper cap. So this will all be available, I believe, October 1st. Then next to last one is Magnolia in a Rollerball. And it smells like they took a whole magnolia tree and just bottled it. It smells so beautiful and so good. Magnolia is great for your skin. It's also good for as a bug repellent, so you can smell beautiful and repel those bugs at the same time. Okay, the last one that I think everybody freaked out about is Copaiba in a soft gel. So Copaiba, I take a drop of Copaiba every day. It helps with your respiratory system, with your central nervous system, with your immune system, with your cardiovascular system. This is like a super power of an oil, and it's now in a soft gel. So very exciting. So make sure you place your orders. Things are going to sell out quickly, I'm sure. But these are all going to be available in the regular doTERRA line starting October 1st. I have the link below for you to purchase, and you can always ask me any questions about the convention kit for 2018. All right, thanks so much. Bye.